welcome to our workout today. My name is Christine, and today our focus is going to be abdominals, core, and stretch. So basically our core is our center where everything kind of comes from our core, our balance, our strength for our lower back. So we're going to focus on strengthening those muscles and of course doing some stretching to create long, lean muscle tone. So let's get started. What I'd like to kind of do first is go over our posture. Posture is key on anything to do with our abdominals and cores, because if you're sinking down and not really engaging those muscles, you're creating more of a problem for your lower back. So what we want to do is we want to sit back nice and solid in our chair. Now you want to place your back against the chair, but don't sink into it. Sit still really tall with those shoulders back, and never compress your neck back. You always want the neck slightly forward to take any stress off of the neck and the vertebrae. So what I'd like you to do is just close your eyes a second, really key into your abdominal muscles, and just breathe normally and kind of just clear your mind so you're really focusing on your center. Let's just take a quiet moment. Okay, now open your eyes and gradually bring your body forward as you sit really tall in the center of the chair. You don't want to be too far forward or too far back. You want to be right in the center of your chair, and very slowly I want you to press back, focusing again on the abs. Keep the neck long, nice tall reach over the head, and contract like you would do. A lot of you have seen in a gym the ab crunch machine, so simulate that movement, sinking down, head long, stretch nice and tall again, and exhale. No tension in the shoulders, just really all let it happen in the core and the abdominals. Sit really tall again and contract over. Keep that neck long. Excellent. Now we want to sit up nice and tall and gently bring that ear to the shoulder. Stretch. Just breathe normally. Lift it up and over. And never move your neck, especially in the beginning of workouts, very fast, because your muscles aren't warm neck yet. So you want to just take your time on that. Lift. Come over. Hold it there. Just breathe normally. Lift. And take it across again. Just hold it right there. Excellent. Now I want to lift our head center and slowly just kind of open out our chest for our posture. Let's take 2 of those. 1 and 2. Now gentle breath. Inhale forward and exhale. You want to contract into your seat. Again, lift straight up. So bring that chest like the chest is coming up towards the ceiling and you're contracting into those abs. Let's do that twice more. Inhale, nice long neck. Exhale, contract back. Let's take that one more time. Really stretch that energy forward, hold, and contract straight back. Very good. Now we want to sit up nice and tall. Bring that neck forward and lift it up. One more time. Bring that neck forward and lift it up. Now slowly extend those arms so they're nice and strong. And again, think of that energy going out. You don't want to kind of bend them. You want to stretch with those shoulders down. Now very slowly, deep breath in. Exhale, bring that body around. And let your head follow as you turn. The head is long. Stay right there. Slowly bring it around again. Inhale. And exhale. Get that nice press to the side right there. Just hold. Stay. 2 more times. Come around center. Again, the head is long. Exhale, come around all the way. A little bit further. Just stay right there. 1 more time. And all of these, we want to take our time. You never want to rush it, especially on anything that's a twisting movement, because you don't want to wrench your back or your neck. Hold it. Come center. Excellent. Now place the hands at the side of the chair. Separate your feet just slightly. Now take that chest forward. And again, keep that head in alignment with the neck. You want to contract down into the chair. Hold it there a few seconds. Slowly press that chest forward. Again, you want to exhale down into that chair. Contract. Stay right there. Press forward. We'll take 2 more of those. We're going to exhale down into the chair. Hold. Exhale, press forward. Let's take 1 more. Exhale down into the chair. Stay. Lifting straight up. Now bring your feet together. Let's just kind of get some blood flowing, so we're tapping out our toes. And we kind of want to just circle our arms. We want to get that energy and blood flowing all the way up on the arms, all the way center, and down. Again, tapping those feet center, all the way up. Hold it there. Center, all the way down. Now just shake everything out right there. Excellent. So let's start our work here on our core and abs. So what I'd like to do to start is extend your left. Your right arm is up. Now your foot is flexed. You want to start it on the floor. Let me show you the upper body movement. So the opposite left hand is at the side of the chair, contracting. Now let's stop here. I don't want to leave my head behind there. I want my head in alignment, crunching and returning. So this is level 1. It's like a crunch, belly button to the lower back. Nice tall lift through that torso. Crunch. Now, if you want to challenge your body a little bit more, what I want you to do in a flex position, you're going to raise that leg crunch, slowly return it to center. Exhale, bending in that midsection, lift that chest again. Contract, and think of the arm too. You're resisting as you press down, bending and lifting. Now let me go back to the modification. The modification is here. You're keeping your leg on the floor, you're lifting up again, you're exhaling, rounding, and you're lifting up. Try that again. Contract and lift again. Squeeze and lift. Let's do 4. 1, nice and slow. 2, nice and slow. 3, we have 1 more. And 4. Now slowly lower that arm and just kind of shake it out all the way, get that blood flowing. Excellent. Now we'll take a stretch before we do the other side. Right arm up, but bend that elbow. Inhale and exhale. Let that whole body hang. Drop that head. Now stretch that arm up over the head and lower. Right there. Bring it down. And then kind of hold that shoulder. Just rotate it. And then reverse it to the opposite direction, up and over. Excellent. Now we're going to switch positions. So this time we're going to bring our left arm over our head. And we're going to extend out our left leg. So the same thing, the right foot is nice and flat. So let's review the movement. The contraction, and again, I'm not rounding down with my chest. So see the difference, my chest is up. It's all happening in my midsection. Return it to center. Exhale, crunch and lift. Keep that neck really long. Squeeze. So you can stay here, that's perfectly fine. If you want to work a little harder today, you're flexing that foot, lifting it to the center, and releasing. So think of pressing like you're slicing and you're lifting. The head is long. Slice, contract again, squeeze. Let's do 4. 1, keep that head long and lift. 2 and lift again. 3, we have 1 more repetition, and 4. Excellent job. Bring it down. Now this time just kind of rotate that shoulder, and with that energy over the arm, reach, inhale, and exhale, just drop down right there. Good. Now place that hand on the shoulder, nice rotation back, keep that head long, and reverse it to the opposite direction. Very good. Now just kind of shake everything out. Now what I want you to do is separate your knees just slightly, not way out, just apart, and my toes, I want to turn them out slightly right here. Now my elbows are nice and strong, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to contract in, and I'm going to open. I'm going to contract in and open. So I'm right here. I'm contracting in, and I'm opening again. Squeeze that midsection, stay tall. Right there. Now you don't want to drop that chest. It all happens in the abs, nice and strong. Contract. Now what I want you to do is squeeze those knees together, separate them. Squeeze, separate them. My knees are turned out slightly, and again, I'm contracting. So I'm really targeting those ab muscles right there. Exhale, let's do 5. 1, and up. 2, so round into your midsection. 3, again. 4, again. And 5. Now slide those legs together. The hands, the palms are facing you. The back of the hand is facing out. So you're just going to twist and crunch. Up and center. Twist, crunch. So see how I go back into that oblique, into those abs? Lift and center. Twist, squeeze, up and center. Twist, squeeze, up and center. Again, bring it across, contract down, up and center. Again, twist, contract, lift. Let's do 4. Don't tense your shoulders. Contract back, lift, and center. And what helps too is to squeeze those thighs together as you come down. Twist, over, squeeze, up. One more. Over, squeeze, up, and center. Now lower those arms. Bring that body forward and kind of shake out those shoulders a little bit. Now let's give ourselves a little bit of a break. Take a stretch. So let's extend our right leg. Our left arm is forward. Now reach, not with the chest. The lower back, and place the other arm on the seat right there. Now slowly open your body, look behind to the arm. Now as you're coming back to center, you want to contract right around to the side. Look towards that arm, get that energy out. Inhale, let it follow all the way through, so we're getting that rotation with that stretch. Exhale, press it straight to center and hold. One more time. Open like you're opening a door, let the head follow all the way back. Hold, come around to the center and lower that arm. Shake it out. Now again, posture, abs are tight, shoulders are back. Extend the opposite leg. Now that arm is here, head neutral. Reach with that lower back. And as you reach with the lower back, you're going to feel a little bit of a stretch in that hamstring. So keep that head center. Now let's see how I twist and I let my head follow my left arm as far as I can. Then I contract from my waist, come around. But this arm, don't tense it, keep it down. So let that head follow around, breathe. All the way back, stay. Bring it around. Center, we have one more time. Reach with that back, keep breathing, look behind you. Stay right there. Bring it all the way center. Hold and release it down. Very good, come back. Now just shake everything out right there. And your feet are gonna be together, only extend. I don't want a full extension with your knees straight. Slight bend right there, hands are here. Now what I want you to do is you're gonna come down, lift one leg tap, and release. So notice when I'm bending, let me just show you this. You don't want to drop down in the chest. The chest is still up. It's all happening in my midsection, which requires you to really think and isolate. So squeeze, release, exhale. So think of you're pushing 2 walls together and releasing. Squeeze. Look at my feet, they're flexed. By flexing, you can get that knee closer to your chest, getting deeper into those abs. And exhale, same thing. Elbow side, release, and side, same thing. Squeeze, we have 4 more repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. Now drop that chest, drop that head, and reach with that lower back, because we want to just really stretch out that lower back a little bit, just hang center. Now reach those arms out as far as you can, relax that neck. Now inhale, exhale, stretch that back a little bit more. Now if that's too much, you can hold back on it, but keep those arms straight. So you kind of have to find the best position and how far you can go into that stretch. But never bounce, just breathe into it, keep that head long, stay right there, lower those arms, and lift that chest. Very good, just shake it out. Now this time, bring those feet closer to you. Your left arm is going to be straight like you have an imaginary bar. The right hand at the side of your head, not grasping the head, just place it there. You're going to take a little dip and a reach. Dip and a reach. Flex that foot, extend. Now see how I come around from my waist and push down with that imaginary bar. If that's too much, I'll show your option here. You're still pushing with the arm and you're still twisting, but you're not lifting your leg. The leg is going to get deeper into the core. Squeeze again. Squeeze. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Excellent. Now we're going to take 2 sets, 1 on each side. So kind of just kick out the legs a little bit, get a little stretch right there. Now center your weight, sitting tall. Again, neck is nice and long. Extend your right leg. Now left hand again on the side of the head. Option 1, you're going to have that imaginary bar pushing down. So see the difference from me kind of letting my arm just lay there, but I want to push with energy. So level 1, if you don't want to lift your leg, you're just going to come down into that contraction and open. You're not holding your head, your fingertips at the side, or flex. But remember, I'm never dropping my chest. Even if I'm up here, it's that twist, but my chest is still up. Return to center. Exhale, use your breath, or squeeze and press. Squeeze and press. Same thing, get deep into that core and twist. Keep it going, twist. We have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Just kind of relax a second. Now just tap out those legs for a second. Now before we do our next set, let's just get a little stretch. So let's extend our left leg. Our left arm is up. Now the same thing, reach. And each time you repeat these stretches, try to go a little bit further beyond that toe. Keep that neck long. Inhale. Exhale. Just reach through that back. Breathe and lower that arm. Now let the back bend more so you really feel the back of that hamstring. And we want to hold these stretches for like 5 to 10 seconds to get the maximum benefit. Just stay. Roll up slow. Place it flat. Other foot, don't turn it out. Keep it flexed. Energy on that arm as you reach with that lower back. Head is neutral. Inhale. Exhale. Bring that body forward as much as you can. Keep that neck loose. Lower that arm and try to drop that chest lower. So you're really feeling that full release in the back. Stay there. 4, 3, 2, come up. Now we're going to go back to that exercise with the turning of the chest, and we're going to do 10 more on each side. So let's review. Our left leg is extended to start. Hand at the side of the head, imaginary bar pushing down. So let's review. Level 1 is just a twist, but we have that chest up, so it all happens in the waist. Level 2 is with the flex. So decide which position you would like to do, and you're going to do 10. So breathe, center that neck, ready, go. 10, 9, so you're bringing that knee directly up to your chest. 8, 7, and the other foot is flat on the floor. Halfway there, we have 5 more. Pushing down with that imaginary bar. 3, 2, one more repetition, and 1. Very good. Take it down. Just shake out those legs. Now we're going to switch it. So this time we're going to have our right leg out, imaginary bar, no tension, side fingertips, not behind the head. Level 1, I'm just twisting, but my chest is up, so it's all in my waist. Or level 2, chest up and turning from my oblique. Okay, so find the position you prefer. Ready, go. 10 reps. So your chest is lifted, you're bending like you were doing a Pilates in that midsection. Twist again. Twist, same thing. We have 5 more. 1, don't rush it. And 2, exhale as you twist. 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Come down. Now just shake out those legs, shake out those arms a little bit, and just kind of bring those arms center. Relax that neck and reverse it to the other way. Very good. Now we're going to slide our feet out a little bit. Now just bend from that back. Keep that head long. Now we work our core, so now we have to work the opposing, which is our back, our lower back. So we're starting over in this position. Now we're going to come up with our arms over the head. So the exhale is going to be on the contraction. Exhale. Inhale, lift that chest. Now think about what you're doing. You're not arching and letting this go. This is tight, your rib cage is closed, your head is long. You're contracting down, feet are flat, and lift to the ceiling with energy. Exhale, keep that neck straight, lift to the ceiling with energy again. Over and lift. We have 5 more repetitions. 1, and lift. Keep those eyes forward. 2, and lift again. 3, and lift, same thing. 4, and lift, one more time. 5, and lift. Very good. Just open it side. Now this time we want to kind of stretch out both legs, reach that right hand over the head. Now what I want you to do is place your left hand away from your body, and you're going to contract over and get a little push down on the chair, get a little twist. Inhale and reach with that oblique in that back. Keep that head long right there. 4, 3, 2, bring it down center, sitting tall. Left, so you want to twist that torso, reach with that arm and let that head follow. Inhale, exhale, go a little bit further. Keep getting more of a twist there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Very good. Bring those feet in, just shake them out. Now we want to place our hands, clasping our fingertips underneath our legs, bring that chest forward. Now really pull with energy. So see the difference from this, I'm not using any tension. What I want to do is pull down, keep that head long, and kind of bend, looking towards my right side as I bend left. Inhale, and exhale. Really focus into that lower back on the right side, hold, come up slow, same thing, inhale. Turn that head, focus into the lower back on the left. You can even just close your eyes. The key on this is the breath, getting deep into the muscles to really get that stretch. Let's repeat again, come up, inhale, exhale, release, and go lower, just hang right there, looking towards the right. Let that side of the back drop. Last time up slow, and exhale, let that head turn. Just breathe and hang as low as you can right there. Just stay and hold. Come up slow. Now, move your feet closer to the chair and slide back a little bit. Now, what I want you to do is place your hands not right on the edge of the chair, up on top of the chair if you can, and extend those legs out. Now, look at my posture. I don't want to be slumped down. I want to sit really tall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift one leg, press it in, out, and down. Left, out, and down. So you want to lift, exhale, squeeze that core, the chest is lifted, and down. So this is level one. Everyone can do this one, which is lifting, bending, stretch. Let's do 2 more reps on that. Up, bend, out, and down. 1 more rep. Up, bend, out, and down. Now level 2. Try to sit tall with those arms. Lift, contract, out, and down. And by working our balance, staying in the center, we're really challenging our core. Lift, squeeze. But remember, I'm going to show you the wrong way. This is the wrong way. This is all collapsed. This is down. I want to be up, so I want to lift. So see the difference. My chest is still up. Then I stretch with energy. Come down. Foot is in a flex position. In and down. Let's do 4. 1, squeeze, out and down. 2, squeeze. 2 more. Up, contract. 1 more. Up, contract, and down. Excellent job. Bring those feet together. Just kind of tap them out a little bit. Right there. Now, let's take our feet about shoulder width apart. Hands on top, not on the joints, on top of the thigh. Bring that body forward. Now contract back into those abs and keep that head nice and long so you're squeezing. Come forward all the way, hold, and take it back right there. Good. And kind of move that body. So press that right shoulder forward, let the head go, lift up, left shoulder, and twist right there. 2 more times. Lift up out of that seat, twist around. 1 more time. Lift up out of that seat, twist around. Now back to center. Just shake out those legs. Now, we're going to keep this fairly simple today, so we're going to cross our right leg over our left, and we're going to push. So see how my knee is open? I want to push that together. I want my hands here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist. Now I'm going to open, close, center. Twist, open, close, center. Again, twist. So I open, I squeeze, I come around. It's very subtle. Turn, open, squeeze. 1 more. Twist, open, and squeeze. Now lower those arms. Your legs are still crossed. You're going to press that body forward. We want to get enough stretch today. But I don't want to do this. I want to take a deep breath in and hang with that body. Keep that neck neutral all the way. Stay. Roll up slow. Now uncross the legs. Take a second to find your center. Sit tall. Opposite. So you start with that leg open. So the squeeze, we contract as it comes in. Now, we're right here. Hands again lightly at the head. Twist, squeeze, come center. Twist, squeeze that thigh, center. Open, squeeze, and center. Open, squeeze. 2 more. Over, squeeze, pulling those abs. Over, squeeze, and center. Lower those arms. Now reach with that body all the way down. Inhale. Now let the lower back hang longer. Just breathe and kind of move that back gently. Don't go fast, just side to side gently. Then hold center right there. Just stay and roll up slow. Now uncross your legs. Just kind of tap them out a second. just to get those legs stretched. 2 more, and 1 more. Excellent. Now we want to sit back in our chair. So our backs are now firmly against the chair, our abs are tight, and our arms are here. Now all I'd like you to do is reach that right leg and just pulse it. Now if you can, if that's too much, you can keep this lower, but pulse. Focus on that midsection or bring it up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold. Slowly lower that foot. Shoulders are down. Opposite foot. It can be here or it can be here. Squeeze. So we want to get used to this. Balancing on 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold. Both feet down. Now very slowly, if you can extend and flex both feet, hundreds. Flex. Keep that chest lifted. Those abs are tight. Drop those shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. And like I said, you can do that exercise with the feet on the floor or the legs lifted. Now coming up, just kind of open your knees side to side, shake it out. Now we want to bring our ankles crossed again, firmly squeezing those thighs. The hands are here. Now sit, again, not down, sit tall. We're going to twist right there and cross. See how my elbows are open? My elbow comes center, my abdominals contract. Again, twist. We have 4 more reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Palms together, elbows together. So twist, come center. Twist, come center. Do not tense the shoulders. Twist and let that head follow those hands. Squeeze those abs. Exhale. Push those thighs together. We have 5 more. 1, 2. Don't tense your shoulders. 3. And keep breathing. 4 and 5. Very good. Stretch those legs out. Now reach, not all the way down, just reach forward, head long. Inhale and reach, nice and long stretch with that back. Hold it there. Each time you want to go a little bit further so you get that full extension, energy over the head, and again, fold forward right there. Just reach and lower those arms. Good. Now sit up. Let's switch the legs. So we're going to cross the opposite leg. Squeeze as firm as you can. This time, 1 palm on top of the elbow, and you're pushing down. So if someone were to push on you, you don't want to collapse your arms. You want this solid. So you're twisting, twisting. Now look at what I do. My elbow comes behind me, my head follows, and my chest is lifted. My thighs are pressing together, so I have that resistance, letting that head turn. Turn. We have 10. 10, 9, 8, pull in that midsection. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep breathing, 2, and rest. Very good. Just kind of shake it out, get those arms side, and reverse it. Now uncross your legs, bring them out in front of you. Hands are here like you're swimming. Open, pull them down to the back, right to the lower back. Keep that head long. Now your hands should be touching the tip of your lower back. Bring your body forward and then just raise them a little bit. Inhale, bring that chest forward, drop those shoulders. Just breathe right there. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, lower down. Now sitting tall, we want to open those shoulders. 2 and 1. Now gradually that ear dropping down and dropping down. So feel those back muscles squeeze. Breathe normally, hold. Lift that head slow, other side. Inhale. Exhale, drop that shoulder. Really feel that lengthening of the neck right there. Now head center, just nod it forward. Keep those eyes down and a little bit of a stretch side to side. And lift. Let's do that one more time. Head down, side to side, and lift. Now slide up a little bit in that chair. Now you're going to bring it here. Your arms forward. You're going to press it side. You're going to stretch and you're going to reach. Inhale and exhale. Really, because we did a lot of work on the obliques, so we don't want to stick our hip out. Our hip is center, but we feel that stretch from the tip of the hip all the way out, reaching with our left. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, lower it down. Sitting tall. Other side. Drop the head. Inhale and exhale all the way down. Let that head stay long. Go lower, reach to the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, and lift. Excellent. Now separate your knees just slightly. Hands again underneath, not on the joint, underneath the joint. Press that body forward, keep that head long. Now contract back into it and sit really tall. Again, shoulders back. Contract slow, tighten that midsection. And lift. We have one more time. We go back, hold, get that posture really tall. Now feet together, arms at the side. Just bend so you get that back flexion. Inhale, let that lower back just drop. Now I don't want you to bounce, I just want to kind of hold it there. But don't relax your abdominals. Tighten those abs to the back and just hold that stretch for about 10 seconds. Keep breathing, holding. Now very slowly return that body up. And remember, think of the tip of the abdominal pulling with that string. The feet are flat. A nice deep stretch up, filling. Now let's just open our chest back and contract down. Again, open our chest back and contract. We have two more. Nice tall chest, contract. We have one more. Up, hold. Now release it over. Last deep breath. Really fill up with a lot of oxygen in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Very good job today. I hope you enjoyed our session of abdominals, core, and stretch, and I look forward to our next meeting. Stay strong.